What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we're finally going to unbox this first mod for the Toyota Supra. But first, before we do this, we got to actually rearrange all the cars right now because it's looking like quite a parking lot going on here. So yeah, we're gonna hop in all the cars, move them around, unbox this bad boy, and I got to wash the Supra actually before I put it on. And we're going back to college today, so this kind of fits very nicely. Gonna be riding around with a clean car. So first, let's start up the Supra and move it real quick. This is a cold start on a 2020 Toyota Supra. Not very impressive, right? That thing has no mods on it, so it's a little quiet. But unlike that one, this is a cold startup on a 2013, pretty much straight piped FRS. Now I gotta move the Porsche in the garage, so I guess this is a probably lukewarm startup on a Porsche Macan GTS. I'll spare you guys the trouble of watching me pull the Supra back into the driveway, so I'll just give you it in 3, 2, there we go, boys. Let's get to washing the Supra. Before we wash the Supra, let's unbox our first mod we're gonna do today. All right guys, so this is the box. Let's go ahead and open it on up. We already cut it, so it's gonna be too bad. Oh, very nice. Got this from AMS Performance. Got some nice bubble wrap. Come on in here. Unwrap, unwrap, unwrap. We got another, I guess, section of protection, which we always love whenever we're getting our car parts. Alright guys, pull it on out. And behind the layer of protection, once again, two things are in the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. I think it's like a little baggie. Because these parts are carbon fiber, I guess they wanted to ensure the protection. There we go, baby. We got wind deflectors, but not any wind deflectors. We got the gloss carbon fiber, which I think will look great on the Supra. As you know, they're gonna probably go like right here. This is probably the other one. Like that. So the wind doesn't make the buffeting sound that it does when the windows are down. So, but first we do have to wash because this is 3M on the back. Just gonna stick it on there once it's clean. We'll be good to go. All right guys, now we're gonna wash the Supra. To wash it, we're gonna use some of Jack's Wax's Defending Soap. This has like little ceramic coat properties in here already, but as you know, previous video we got the Supra ceramic coated, so I'm really interested to see the water beading and if I paid for the correct ceramic coating. So we're gonna pour some shampoo in the Jack's Wax bucket, get to washing the Supra. Let's do this. Alright guys, the car is clean, as you can see. I tell you all every time we use the products, but Jack's Wax is the stuff that absolutely tops everything else. It smells amazing, it makes the car look amazing, and I'm not even a car detailer. But if you guys want to go get some of that, feel free to send them a DM on Instagram if you're in Houston, Jack's Wax Houston, and then when you use the products, make sure to tag me in your stories. What do you see the difference, like this car? But now it's time you've all been waiting for. We're gonna put this bad boy on here, the wind deflector. So let's do it. So we got 3M tape on this side. Once we peel this off, there's no going back. So hopefully I get it right on the first try, or we gotta order another set. All right, they're off. This is the one for the passenger side of the car. Go ahead and get in here. Give her the stick. There we go. That's one side done. DIY, man. If Sinclair Photos can do it, you definitely can do it, because I don't know anything about doing this stuff. Alright guys, now we got the other side. Let's go ahead and stick this one on. Perfecto! Alright guys, well there we go. Now the car has just a hint of carbon fiber on the outside. You can kind of see it right there, but I feel like it looks pretty good. And this obviously takes away that annoying wind buffering that for some reason the Toyota engineers couldn't figure out how to do while they were actually manufacturing the car, but you can get a better glimpse of the carbon fiber right there. That's gonna look pretty good on the Supra. Now, we just gotta get a couple more carbon fiber pieces to complement it. I'm really wanting the Street Hunter wing and lip, so hopefully we can get those on the channel pretty soon. But there we go. Alright guys, now we got about an hour drive back up to school, so we're gonna try this out on the way, and then when we get there I'm gonna give you my honest opinion if it works or if it didn't, because it's pretty freaking bad. If any of you have been in a Supra without one with the windows down, it's pretty freaking bad, unbearable at most. But we're gonna go roll with the windows down to College Station, and I'll let you know if they work. Alright guys, we made it all the way up to College Station, rode with the windows down the majority of the time, and I wouldn't say it's completely gone, but it is a majority gone, probably 95%. So super duper cool. Thank you guys for watching so much. If you want any of these, I'll link the product in the description below. We're getting blurry, so we're gonna run out of time. So if you guys like the video, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.